Hi everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to make text and fonts bigger in Windows 11. This is especially helpful if things look too small or hard to read. Let's get started. First, click the Start button at the bottom left, then click on the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. On the left hand side, click Accessibility. Then click on Text Size on the right. You will see a slider that lets you change how big the text is. Move the slider to the right to make the text bigger. You'll see a preview right above it. Once you're happy with the size, click Apply, give it a second, and Windows will update the text. That's it. Now everything should look easier to see. Let's move the slider a little more and see how it changes. So that's a little bit bigger than before. Looks better. And let's increase it even more just to see what happens. There we go. Much better. As you can see, things are much easier to read. And that's it. You can close that out and you can repeat these steps if you want to change anything back to the way it was or make it even bigger. Check out our other related videos on how to make the mouse cursor bigger or how to make the desktop and icons larger. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, click like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips.